South Indian tea time snack made with chana dal, spices, onions, and herbs. It is also street food and most commonly served in tiffin centers and cafes as a evening snack with chutney. Please make a note of ingredients which are required to prepare Masala Vada recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of chana dal. Wash the chana dal, pour enough water, soak it for 3 hours. To grind the chana dal, the ingredients we include 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 cinnamon, 2 cloves, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, green chilli 2 to 3, 1 big finely chopped onion, 1 cup of mint leaves finely chopped, 1 cup of coriander leaves finely chopped and 1 small cup of curry leaves finely chopped. Now transfer chana dal into the grinder that have been soaking for about 3 hours. I'll take out 1 spoon of chana dal before grinding. Now for this include the masala ingredients that I have mentioned you earlier. Add the salt as per your need. Close the lid, just pulse it few times so that batter will be of nice coarse consistency mixture. You can see how it came out. This is enough, don't grind it too much. 1 spoon chana dal that I have taken out earlier, I mixed with this batter after grinding. Now I am transferring this to small kadai. Add finely chopped onion, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and finally curry leaves. Mix all together with help of the hand. Sorry, I forgot to mention you earlier, while grinding I didn't add any water. Masala vada batter is ready. Let's start making vadas. Take kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, take little bit of batter. Just roll it with the help of the hand. Now with the help of the other palm, gently flatten it. Don't make it too thick. Now gently drop the vadas. Deep fry the vada till the nice golden brown color. Make sure you deep fry them with medium-low flame. Don't keep flame high. What happens, color changes very quickly but vada uncooked inside. Once they turn nice golden color, remove them from the oil. Before taking out, make sure every side cooked properly. This is second batch I am seasoning. Here you go, simply crispy delicious masala vada you can enjoy with a nice coffee or tea by side. Thank you so much for watching. Please do refer your friends and families to subscribe our channel.